Stop! Before you think about upgrading your phone, you need to hear this. Samsung is about to shake up the entire flagship phone market. They're making significant adjustments to the Galaxy S26 lineup, signaling a deliberate shift in strategy to address evolving market trends and consumer expectations. Among these changes is the potential return of the Galaxy S26 Plus model, a move that could reshape the company's flagship series. This decision follows the varied sales performance of the Galaxy S25 series, encouraging Samsung to refine its product offerings while keeping the Ultra model as the technological centerpiece of its series. What's new in the Galaxy S26 lineup? The Galaxy S26 series is expected to feature a more diverse selection of models, including the possible reintroduction of the Galaxy S26 Plus, internally codenamed M+. Initially, Samsung had plans to release only the Galaxy S26 Pro Edge and the Ultra models. However, the addition of the Plus model suggests a readjusted strategy aimed at addressing a gap in their current product offerings. This shift is likely a direct response to the Galaxy S25 Edge's disappointing sales figures, which lag behind both the standard S25 and S25 Ultra models. By bringing back the Plus model, Samsung could attract consumers who want a larger screen and better features, but are unwilling to pay the high cost of the Ultra. This broader approach allows Samsung to serve a wider audience, offering more customized options to meet the varied demands of its customer base. The Galaxy S26 Plus is expected to find a middle ground between a lower price and advanced features, making it an appealing option for users who value getting their money's worth without sacrificing performance. This move demonstrates Samsung's dedication to perfecting its selection of devices to better match consumer desires. So, is the return of the Plus model the smart move Samsung needs? Let us know which S26 model you'd buy in the comments below. Do you prefer the Ultra, the Pro Edge, or the newly resurrected Plus? And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on every major tech release, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more professional, in-depth breakdowns just like this one.